Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to get your data from another sheet. So here in this current sheet that is named the sheet 1, and let's assume that I want to import the value of any cells from the sheet 2 to the sheet 1. All I have to do is to insert or initiate a formula. To initiate a formula, of course, you should type the equal sign, and then we will add the name of the sheet where we want to import data from. Here I am on the sheet 1 and I want to import or to get the data from the sheet 2. So I will type the name of my sheet and I will add next to it an exclamation mark. So now it will be defined as a name of a sheet. Here all I have to type now is the name of the cell. Let's, for example, go for this cell that contains the value name. It is in the column H and it is in the 14th row. So all I have to do is to go for H15 and I will, or 14 that I want, H14, and I will get the value of this cell. So to not get confused when you want to have like the name of sheets or you can do some mistake, there is another way to import or to get data from automatically from any cell that you want by initiating formula, but this time we won't insert manually the name of the sheets and the name of the cell. All we have to do is to go directly to the sheet and choose any cell that we want, and he will insert the name directly. So all we have to do is click enter, and as you can see now he typed exactly as the formula that we did manually, but he did it automatically. So as you can see in the G17 there is the value of 54, and here he gets the data from the sheet 2 and he will go directly to the cell G17 and it will take data from it and pull it in the F15. So that's it. This is how you get data from another sheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.